going on the buns.
Yeah. Henry is going on the buns, but I'm not doing it. I'm actually far from Caleb. Yo, Caleb! I'm far from you, nigga. You are idiot.
Mommy, help you to catch me up.
I need the potato. I need the potato. I need the potato. Meow. I need the potato. I need the potato. I need the potato. Meow. I need the. I'm on a second husband. I need the potato. I need the potato. I need the. So when he catches someone.
I'm a casito. Bye, Mel.
I need to see. Sorry, nigga. Oh, do you see that sound? Oh yeah, the sound is blocked. This dude's mother sound is powered.
No, because you cheated. Because I saw. Did Nick put a blindfold on? You are cheating.
You saw.
You went on the sky.
But Caleb, you saw. With your own two eyeballs, you saw.
And my feet are like this. How good you are, and how good you see her. So come.
You saw. You said you saw. So that's a fail ground.
Yep.
Oh, it looks like he's gonna cry.
3, 2, 1, go.
He's gonna cry.
Sharon, stop making a crybaby sounds. Now it's going to become a real crybaby. Caleb, come. He's going to stop making it. And you also stop taking like a crybaby.
Yes.
Now I'm cry around. I'm a
Being a streamer is quite easy because they never catch from me. No. There's someone on the dashboard, but there's no one on the staircase.